Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can contact YouTube customer support. So first step, you need to search in the Google YouTube customer support and you need to click on contact us, and here you need to click on help center on the top. So here you can see that basically YouTube describe all the issues here. Here you can see that. But let's suppose if you are unable to solve your issue and if you want to contact with the support, click on contact us, and here you can see options tell us where we need what we can help. So you can write anything. So I'm going to add copyright issue, for example. Then you need to click on next, and here you need to click on other, click on next step, then you need to click on next step again. Here you can see that contact options, you can contact with email and with chat. So I want to contact on chat, click on that. Here you need to add your channel URL, and how can we help you, you need to mention the reason and click on start chat. So this is a process how you can contact YouTube customer support. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.